Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I transform this into this. So sit back and let's do some nails. Alrighty guys, so first off we have to prep our nails. To do that, I'm making use of my cuticle pusher to first off push back the cuticle, release that skin from like the nail bed, and I'm going to do that to all of my nails. Next I'm going to go in with this pointy cuticle bit, and I'm just going to go around the cuticle area. I'm going like on 3000 rpm, yes. And I sometimes go back and forth depending on like how my nail is positioned. So yeah, you'd see on this nail that I go reverse instead of forward. It just depends on the direction that is comfortable for me and how well I can push back the cuticle. So I'm going to do that to all of my nails, and this bit does help to take off the dead skin around the cuticle area, and then also just like helps to push back the cuticle even further. And yeah, so we're going on a low speed. You can go on any speed that's comfortable for you. 3000 rpm is usually like the most comfy for me to work on. So after we're done with this, we're going to go in with our sanding band, and we're going to take off the shine from these nails, and then also we're just going to further just clean up the cuticle area as well. And you can do this prep for a salon, like for a salon set, or for yourself at home. This is like standard nail prep procedure. So if I wasn't going to do a gel manicure, I'm just going to like when I'm done with this prep, I'll just move straight into doing acrylic nails. But this is for a gel manicure. So you can do this at home, like I said, or you can do this for a client. So while using the sanding band, just make sure you go on a speed that is good enough for you, not too high, not too low. I prefer 3000. I prefer to work like on low speed. I don't mind like taking my time to go over the nail beds. And like I said, the essence of the sanding band right now is like a file. Sorry, it's supposed to help you take off the shine from the natural nails. I also did have some leftover product from my previous set on this nail, so I'm just filing all that out. That the sanding band will help you do all of that. And yeah, so it would basically just prepping the nails in preparation of the extra product or the new products that we're going to be putting on our nails. So when I'm done with this step, we're going to move to using the like the round cuticle ball, and we're going to use that to clean up like the skin around the cuticle, and just open up that cuticle so that if there's anything to nip out, I would be able to nip them out. So you can see that I'm going over like my side walls, like the skin around my cuticle as well, and then just basically around like my finger in total. And I'm doing that because I've got some dry skin like around my nail, and I'm just going to use this round bit to take them off, and then to just open up like that cuticle area as well, so that I could come back in with my nippers and just nip off like whatever hangnail or dead skin is hanging in there. So that's what we're going to do. That's what this step is for. It's basically just to make sure that the nails look neater and cleaner around the nails as well. Alrighty, so we're going to do this to all of the nails, and mind you, while you're doing this step, just make sure that one, you're going on a low speed, and two, you're not hurting yourself or your client. So when you're going over the skin as well, sometimes if it's not flaking, then there's nothing to there's no dead skin to drill at, so just be careful. Alrighty guys, next we're going in with our nippers, and I'm just going to take off the dead skin hanging around my cuticle, and this is just going to make the nails look even much neater, or even more neater, sorry. um so I'm going to nip off the dead skin on the side walls, nip off, sorry you guys. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, so we're going to nip off nip off the dead skin hanging around our cuticles, the side walls. Just make sure that there's no hangnail in there, there's no dead skin hanging in there, just to make sure that the nail does look really, really clean and really, really neat as well. So I'm going to do that to all of the nails, and then next I'm going to come in with a hand file and I'm going to shape in my nails. So I like to do the almond shape when I'm doing like a gel manicure. I like to start off doing the almond shapes. I don't know, it makes my hand look much slimmer and longer, I guess. So I'm just going to shapen my nails to an almond shape. You can shapen your nails if you're doing your nails at home to any shape that you want. You can shapen them to a square, a coffin, any shape that you want, really, not just your nails, your client's nails as well. Alrighty guys, so we're concluding our prep, and I purposely made sure that this prep was as long and detailed as possible, because in like our coming videos I'm not going to be including the nail prep in there. We'll just move straight into whatever it is we're going to be doing. Alrighty, so I just sprayed alcohol on my nails, and I'm just going to brush that out with like a nail brush, just to take off the dust and all of the dirt. I also took off the dirt underneath my nails as well, and you guys can see the difference between my left hand and my right hand. Alrighty guys, so next we're going in with base coats, and I'm just going to apply one coat of base coat on my nails, on all of the nails, and then we're going to cure in the lamp. So I'm just trying to make sure that like the polish, or like, yeah, the gel polish doesn't spill off on the sides. So you have to be careful. You can sometimes use a brush to take off whatever spillage is coming out on the side walls. You can use like a brush to take them out, just so that your work is neat from the onset, and like the work is very, very presentable. So now that I'm done, I'm going to cure in the lamp, and then we'll come back to apply our next product. Alrighty, so the next thing I'm applying on my nail is builder gel, and I'm just going to apply one coat, or just like one layer. I wouldn't say a coat, because I'm not trying to sort of build up the nail. I just want like a little bit of builder gel product on my nail, and what this does is to make sure that the nails don't break, the polish doesn't chip, and that the nail would, like, my nail would can grow out without actually without actually bending. Because I'm not applying so much builder gel on my nail is like still flexible as well, and still hard. So if your nails are I think this method, sorry, what I'm trying to say is, I think this method would be really, really great for people who have like really brittle natural nails. So when you apply the builder gel as like a layer on their nail before the polish, it would prevent like the nails from breaking. That's how I grow my natural nails. So I'm not applying so much product to sort of build up the nail. I'm just applying, like I said, a layer or a coat of product on my nails, and that just reinforces my nail from breaking, and then like just makes sure that the polish doesn't chip as well. So I've done that to all of my nails. I'm going to cure in the lamp 60 seconds, and then we're back to apply our color polish. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of this, one like I cure in between each coat. And again, just make sure that when you're applying your polish, you're applying as neat as possible. If there's any spillage, just use a brush, and you can like wet your brush in alcohol and just wipe that off, and that would come off real easy. Alrighty, so I quickly forgot, for the builder gel, it doesn't have to be nude. I just like to use nude because one, that was what I could get, and then two, I kind of got used to using the nude one. Like, I could see what I'm doing compared to if I was using clear. If you have clear builder gel at home, please use it. Like, it's not, as you can see, I still cover the nail with color, like with a color polish, so it doesn't really matter the color of your like builder gel. Alrighty guys, so now that that is sorted, I'm just finishing up wiping my nails clean. I'm going to cure my first coat in the lamp, and then I'm going to apply the second coat. With the second coat, I usually try to aim even closer to the cuticle than the first coat as possible. If you can't do this, you can use a liner brush to sort of outline around the cuticle. That way you'll be able to get close to the cuticle and like make sure that your work looks very neat. So we're going to apply 2 coats. This is the second coat on all the nails. We'll cure in the lamp, and then we're going to come back and apply our top coat. Alright you guys, 2 coats later, and I'm applying top coat now, and just sealing up like the polish. The top coat is like the last step. The top coat will prevent the polish from peeling, getting stuck to other things, because the gel polish does leave a tacky layer. Even after you cure it in the lamp, it still is sticky. So the top coat prevents all of that, and the top coat does give a really nice shine on your natural nails. It's what makes like concludes the entire like gel manicure, the entire set. So I'm going to apply 1 coat, and I'm also sealing around the like the free edge, like the ends of my nails. I'm sealing that up with top coat as well, just to prevent if there's any space for chipping, the top coat will prevent that. And then we're going to clean up on the sides and cure in the lamp 60 seconds, and I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so this is what we're left with. We're back from the lamp, 60 seconds. My nails do look very cute, but it does look a bit simple to me. I'm just applying some cuticle oil now, because after all the drilling and filing, I think my cuticles do need them. Plus the cuticle oil makes your hands softer, it smells nicer. I mean, hell, why not? So my nails do look really nice in my own opinion, but if you want to leave them like this, it's totally fine. If not, just like I did, I went off camera to put some flowers on there, and the flowers just made the nails look even nicer. So this is the final result, you guys. There is no tutorial for these flowers, probably in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.